By the end of the video, we'll know ABOUT 30-minute cardio blast, high-intensity workout for maximum results. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a 30-minute high-intensity cardio workout that can help you achieve maximum results in just a few weeks. Remember, consistency is key, and this routine is designed to keep you motivated and burning calories. First up, we're kicking off with 5 minutes of jumping jacks. These are perfect for getting your heart rate up and warming up your muscles. Next, let's move on to the burpees. This exercise targets all major muscle groups, and you'll be doing 100 reps, or as many as you can handle in 5 minutes. Aim for match results. Now it's time to hit the floor for 10 minutes of mountain climbs. This plyometric exercise will challenge your core and get your heart pumping. Finally, switch between squat jumps and high knees for another 10 minutes to finish off this intense workout session. Squat jumps target the glutes and quads, while high knees work your calves and obliques. Remember to maintain proper form throughout these exercises and always listen to your body. And there you have it, a quick, high-intensity cardio workout that will leave you feeling energized and accomplished. Remember to stay hydrated and rest when needed. Your body needs time to recover. Thanks for joining us today. And remember to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips, workouts, and guidance. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.